It's the last week. We told you Friday another hospital in north central Illinois is closing. St. Margaret's Health in Spring Valley closing all remaining facilities on Friday. Good Monday evening. I'm Tyler Lopez.
And I'm Janice Repholtz. Thanks for joining us. And Sam Matheny joins us from Spring Valley on the continued reduction of healthcare options in central Illinois and specifically this area. Sam.
Last month, I stood in this same spot telling you that there were plans to close St. Margaret's Health here in Spring Valley if there was no emergency funding provided by the state. This Friday, those plans are becoming a reality. For 120 years, this hospital is one of the few places residents of this community received medical care. St. Margaret's HR staff sent an email notice to employees last Friday saying they will no longer have jobs at the end of this week at the hospital and its other clinics in the area. Beyond employment, people from all age levels will have to find care further away. One resident we spoke with says he fears those needing emergency services, just like he needed during his heart attack 20 years ago.
And they don't have that here. They'd have to travel. I mean, it doesn't make no sense. So this is really a tragedy. I think it's going to really affect this town and this area.
Latorno says this sparks major safety concerns for those who need emergency medical services. But he's not the only one concerned about it. Mayor Malule Thompson put a post out on the city's website saying she is thankful for the great history of healthcare workers, but said, quote, "We are incredibly aware of the negative impact this will have on our residents as the hospital closing results in fewer medical services for residents and longer ambulance rides to nearby hospital when every moment matters." Republican State Senator Sue Rezin says without an emergency room in this area, EMS and other first responders have an even greater responsibility to save lives. She adds that if ambulances don't have advanced life support capability, that could be a matter of life or death in certain situations.
I would say that this shines a light on the challenges of rural health care. Minutes are incredibly important in certain situations. So the first responders are going to be challenged like they've never seen before.
Senator Rezin says there is a meeting with lawmakers, area leaders, and first responders to address some of the immediate concerns. OSF Healthcare signed a letter of intent back in May to purchase St. Margaret's in Peru. As for now, the Spring Valley Hospital will remain permanently closed. For now, in Spring Valley, Sam Matheny, 25 News.